Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check laptop specifications on HP Compaq 17. So first, enter the BIOS. The video of how to do it is on our channel and the button is F10. Then in main, you can navigate with arrows on the keyboard. Here you have multiple informations as a system date, system time, product name, system family, product number, system board ID, processor type, total memory, BIOS vendor, BIOS revision, device firmware revision. You can open this, go back with escape. Serial number, UUID, system board CT number, primary battery SN, system log, of course you can open it, build ID and feature byte. You have also the security, configuration and boot options. I won't be reading them all because it's for you to check. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.